Welcome to Fun with ABCs. Hello friends, my name is Mimi. Today we are going to learn our ABCs with animals. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for alligator. Chomp chomp. The alligator has big jaws. B is for bear. Look at the big bear. He loves honey. C is for cat. Meow meow. The cat loves to cuddle. D is for dog. Woof, woof. Dogs are our best friends. E is for elephant. The elephant has a long trunk. Wow. F is for fox. The fox is clever and fast. G is for giraffe. Look how tall the giraffe is. H is for hippo. The hippo loves the water. I is for iguana. The iguana has scaly skin. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish float in the ocean like jelly. K is for kangaroo. Boing, boing. The kangaroo hops high. L is for lion. Roar! The lion is the king of the jungle. M is for monkey. Monkeys love to swing on trees. N is for narwhal. The narwhal has a long, twisty tusk. O is for owl. The owl says, hoo at night. P is for penguin. Penguins waddle and slide on ice. Q is for quail. The quail is a small, shy bird. R is for rabbit. Hop, hop. Rabbits have long ears. S is for snake. Slither, slither goes the snake. T is for tiger. Roar. The tiger has stripes. U is for urchin. Wow, a spiky creature that lives in the ocean. V is for vulture. Vultures fly high and clean up nature. W is for whale. Whales are the giants of the sea. X is for X-ray fish. You can see its bones. X-ray fish are cool. Y is for yak. The yak lives in cold mountains. Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Great job, friends! You learned the alphabet with animals. Which one was your favorite? See you next time. Bye-bye. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more learning videos.